Before a single shirt is sewn, every garment begins here, where powerful cutting machines transform fabric layers into perfectly shaped clothing pieces. First, huge rolls of fabric are carefully spread into multiple layers, creating a thick fabric stack ready for fast and accurate cutting. Next, garment patterns are placed or digitally programmed, showing exactly where every sleeve, collar, pocket, and body panel must be cut. The straight knife cutter then slices through many fabric layers at once, making it one of the most common tools in clothing factories. For smaller stacks and curved shapes, the round knife cutter uses a spinning blade to make smooth, flexible, and highly controlled cuts. When extreme precision is needed, a band knife cutter allows operators to guide fabric through a fixed blade for detailed pattern cutting. Modern factories also use computerized CNC cutters that follow digital patterns automatically, delivering incredible speed, precision. The cutting blade moves with computer-controlled accuracy, while powerful vacuum systems hold every fabric layer firmly in place during the process. Some advanced garments are even cut with lasers, creating clean edges without physical blades and reducing the need for additional finishing work. After cutting, workers carefully separate each garment component and organize the pieces into bundles before sending them directly to the sewing department. Every perfectly cut piece now moves forward through the factory, where skilled sewing machines will gradually turn flat fabric into finished clothing. From traditional knives to intelligent automated cutters, these machines are the hidden power behind fast, accurate, and large-scale clothes manufacturing worldwide. So the next time you wear your favorite clothes, remember, every perfect garment started as fabric and was shaped by the power of cutting.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.